Welcome to BestusefulTips. I will show you how to factory reset Android 13 device using phone settings. Swipe down the notification panel at the top. Tap on a setting gear icon at bottom right corner. Now scroll down at the bottom. Tap on a system. Now scroll again and here you can see your device update to Android 13. Tap on a reset option at the end. Tap on erase all data, factory reset. Here you can see list of data deleted from your device including internal storage also. Here you can see selected apps. You can tick mark the erase downloaded SIM if you want to remove SIM. Erase all data. Confirm your screen lock. Here when you tap on erase all data, it will delete all your phone's data. So make sure to back up your important data before performing these steps. It will delete all your phone data to factory default settings. So make sure back up your important data. Tap on erase all data to delete the all phone data in your device. That's it. Like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips.